In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download protected view-only Google Sheets files from Google Drive. Before we start, a quick note. This walkthrough is for educational and troubleshooting purposes, and you should always respect file permissions and only work with files you're allowed to access. With that in mind, let's go step by step so you understand what's happening and why. First, open your browser and sign into your Google account. Then head over to Google Drive. Locate the Google Sheets file that is set to View Only. You'll know it's View Only when you open it and can't type in any cells, and the download option may be disabled or grayed out in the File menu. Once the file is open in Google Sheets, the key idea is that you want to create your own usable copy of the visible data. The most straightforward and legitimate way to do this is by using the Make a Copy feature, as long as the owner has allowed viewers to do so. At the top left, click on File. In the drop-down, look for the option that says Make a Copy. If that option is available, click it. A small window will pop up asking where to save the new file in your drive and what to name it. Choose a folder you have access to. Give your copy a clear name and confirm. Google Sheets will then open a brand new document that you fully own and control. This version is no longer view-only. From here, you can edit the data, format it, or simply download it. To download it, go back to the File menu. Move your cursor over Download and choose the format you prefer, such as Microsoft Excel for further editing offline, or PDF if you just want a static version. The file will then download to your computer like any other document. If you don't see the Make a Copy option at all, that usually means the owner has restricted copying, downloading, and printing. In that situation, you won't be able to create your own file from it unless the owner changes those settings or grants you higher access, such as comment or edit. The best approach is to reach out to the owner and politely request permission or ask them to export and share the file with you directly. To recap, open the View Only sheet from Google Drive, use Make a Copy if it's available, then download your own copy in the format you need. This keeps everything simple, respects permissions, and gives you a clean, workable version of the file.